Hey guys, Dave here, just got some gas. What I wanted to do today is do a top speed run primarily for the motorcycle. So the motorcycle has no snorkel right now. So there's a KLX250s Snorkel that people like to remove because it's fairly restrictive. It's a stock snorkel. And you can swap it out for the KDX200 Snorkel, which I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and swap it out. I got the part, it's on its way. I'm a little disappointed with my top speed right now. So right now, we're just going to hit the freeway and we're going to see what our top speed is. Alright, here we go. I'm sitting right around 72 miles an hour with a little bit of headwind, but I was going downhill, so let's see what it's like going the other direction. Here we go, we're going a lot faster. 85. Whoa, this is so much faster. Okay, we hit 90 indicated. We're doing much better than last time. 80. That's about it. Oh, we gotta become street legal, baby. There we go. Indicated 85. Maxed out. This is probably about as flat as we're gonna get. So a few days ago, I did a top speed run, and I had iffy to unsatisfactory results. I was anywhere from 70 miles an hour to 90 miles an hour. And it seemed to vary wildly on the direction I was going. I wasn't quite sure if it was due to the fact that I was going up a hill or down a hill. On downhills, I'd be going 70. On slight uphills, I'd be going 90. Didn't make a lot of rhyme or reason. So, I'm gonna try and fix that. So today we're gonna be installing a KDX200 Snorkel. And the hope is, at higher speeds, it'll still be able to get air. It'll be able to force feed air into the engine and give it enough air to go fast. So first thing we're going to do is just take off these 8mm bolts. I bought this off Amazon for $48. This is the part number, 14073-1577. It's my air duct inlet. It's going to be shoved in just like that. And the whole plan is to keep the air filter a little bit cleaner. So we're just taking the snorkel and we're just shoving it in the hole. All right, that is it. Installed. Let's go into next gear, see if we can get any more speed. So that's it. Like, that's all the speed I've got for this whole thing. And hard cut to me talking about it. So I did a fourth run, had very similar results to the third run, hit about 84, 85 miles an hour. So in terms of average speed versus with and without the snorkel, it's virtually the same. I got a much higher top speed with one of my runs without my snorkel than when I had my snorkel in it. But I seem to get more consistently at 80 miles an hour with the snorkel. So it's an interesting thing there. It feels like I have more consistent power with the snorkel, but my top speed isn't better at all. In fact, it's worse. And I think it's this was not a very scientific run. The wind was different, the day was different, the air temperature was different. There were a whole lot of different variables that I can't account for. So it's kind of a wash, really. I spent $49.20 on a snorkel that really did virtually nothing. So there's that. But I'm okay with that. I kind of like the snorkel in there because it feels like it's going to make it quite a bit more difficult for water to get in there. Having that snorkel there, having it pull the air in through there, and then if water does get in there, it's not going to find its way inside the air inlet as easily. I don't know. I guess that's how I justify it, but that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.